We're back at the research station in Michigan, and we have a soil moisture sensor here. What this measures is moisture in the soil at different locations. What you do is you dig a pit and install these sensors into the wall of the undisturbed soil at different locations. In this case, we have 8 inches and 4 inches. And what it does is measures the soil moisture that's available through various lengths, including through the day, through the night, over weeks. What we're trying to accomplish with this, or what we are trying to learn, is if different tillage practices result in different moisture being available to the plants, and which tillage practices, of course, are best at moisture storage and moisture movement. We are studying the Salford Independent series, which feature individually mounted units, to understand what we call the jackhammer effect. What basically the jackhammer effect is that as the wavy coulter is running through the ground, vibrating through the ground, it creates a fracture below where the blade is running. This crack in the soil allows soil moisture to move up and down through the soil profile. When the machine is put into the ground, the weight of the frame of the machine crushes the coils slightly to put pressure on the blades. So as the blades are running, the spring is pre-tensioned and the blades are always running with a vibrating effect. We call it the jackhammer effect. And what happens as the blade is vibrating through the soil, if you're running this deep, what will happen is you will get a shatter line directly below the blade, about the same depth as the way you're running. What this causes is a fracture line, or a change in the density of the soil through a lower or further down than the depth of the operation of the machine. And it allows moisture movement both up and down through the soil profile. This can be used in 2 ways. In the spring, if you have excessive soil moisture at planting time, you can move moisture off the planting zone to give you an ideal planting area. Or later in the season, it allows those cracks to have moisture move from below, or also to filter down from above to provide moisture for the plant to grow with.